Hello everybody, welcome back to CryptoMats channel. In today's video we will talk about Prom project and especially its campaign on Zealy. Before we begin, please remember that I am not a financial advisor and this video is for informational purposes only. You should always do your research and invest at your own risk. And if you enjoy my reviews, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more crypto related content. So today, an exciting project, Prom. Let's start on the official website prom.io. Prom is a modular ZK Layer 2 solution that bridges both EVM and non-EVM compatible chains, ensuring fast and cheap transactions, 100% decentralization, and zero downtime. Unlike many other Layer 2 solutions, Prom breaks a single chain limitations and offers interoperability with chains like Solana and Bitcoin. Let's dive into what makes Prom so special. Prom can be compared to projects like Injective, both which started with similar market cap. However, Prom's distinctive features, especially its chain capabilities, set it apart and highlights its huge potential. With recent strategic alliances, including an investment from DWF Labs, Prom is poised for significant growth. Recently, Prom announced the launch of their Layer 2 solution and the testnet is already live. This is a prime time for the community to get involved and there is a great campaign on Zealy you can participate in. Before we go to Zealy, we need to join the testnet. The wallet address we will get will be needed in the campaign. Click Join Testnet on the top of the page. We are on Prom's dashboard page. Now we need to connect wallet. I will use MetaMask. Confirm connection in the wallet and add Prom testnet network. Now we just need to copy the wallet address and we can go to the Zealy campaign. In the description of this video, you have a direct link to this campaign. Please use it, so you will go to the right one. Before you start doing the tasks here, let's create an account on Zealy if you don't have one already. On the top we have Connect to Zealy. Just provide your email, answer some questions about your interests on Zealy, and join some communities to get started. I'm already logged in and now let's do some tasks. As you can see, all tasks are divided in two campaigns, Delegate and Validator. First, let's talk about Delegate campaign. This campaign offers a grand total of 1 million Prom tokens in voting power, which will be distributed among participants who complete on-chain tasks. The best part? You don't need to invest any money, just your time. The tasks here are user-friendly and give you the chance to explore Prom's social media such as Twitter, Discord, Telegram. Let's complete the first task in this campaign, the Black Bird. As you can see, we have instructions for the task and remember to always read and follow it. Some of the tasks are pretty complicated later in the campaign. We can now use testnet wallet address from the MetaMasks. Paste it here. If you don't have connected your Twitter and Discord, you can do it now. They are needed to complete every task. Twitter and Discord connected. Now the only thing that's left is to hit the follow button. Redirect it to the X. Hit follow there. Now we can close this tab. And hit the climb button. And that's it, task done. Back to the project. So completing these tasks is an amazing opportunity, especially since the campaign has just started. You are not too late to join and make the most of this rewarding experience. We can see that the tasks we completed disappeared from the list, and in the section header we see that we completed one of the 6 tasks. This helps you to stay organized and monitor your progress across different campaigns. Now, let me show you the leaderboard and explain its significance. The leaderboard is a crucial part of every project. It displays the most active users who often get noticed by project teams. Being on the leaderboard can increase your chances of receiving additional rewards and recognition within the community. Being at the top of the leaderboard isn't just about bragging rights. Top users often get exclusive rewards, early access to new projects, and sometimes even direct communication with project developers. This can be a significant advantage, especially in the fast-paced world of crypto. In the bottom left corner you have your account name. If you click it, you will be redirected to the activities page. Here you can see a list of my completed tasks. Each task shows the rewards earned, whether it's XP, tokens or other prizes. This transparency helps you understand your progress and motivates you to keep participating. Let's dive into the exciting validator campaign on Zealy, a crucial part of the Prom ecosystem. This campaign offers a variety of tasks designed to showcase your social influence and creativity, while earning valuable XP. The campaign kicks off with a simple onboarding task like following Prom on social media and joining their Discord. These tasks are quick and easy, getting you started with some initial XP. Next, the Prom X Subsquid Co-Point event offers tasks like retweeting posts and following Subsquid channels, which help you earn more XP and engage with Prom strategic partners. The Prom X AirDAO bonus tier is another opportunity to boost your XP by joining AirDAO community and participating in their activities, strengthening the collaboration between Prom and AirDAO. Now let's look at the core of the validator campaign, which includes multiple tiers. Tier 1 tasks include daily check-ins, quizzes and social media activities like retweeting and commenting. These tasks keep you engaged and help you build XP steadily. In Tier 2, tasks become more creative and challenging, such as making prom-related memes and writing Reddit posts. These tasks offer higher XP rewards and greater involvement. Tier 3 tasks involve sharing prom info in other communities, inviting friends and join Zealy and Discord, and creating infographics. These daily activities offer substantial XP rewards. Tier 4 includes tasks like sharing event ideas, making short videos, and adding prom to your social bios. Inviting more friends can earn even higher XP, along with sharing real-life prom photos. Tier 5, the bonus tier, focuses on social media engagement. Hitting view milestones on your prom-related Twitter posts can earn you significant XP, rewarding your influence in the community. The validator campaign is structured to reward consistent participation and creativity. By completing these tasks, you not only earn XP, but also have a chance to become a Prom DAO validator, influencing key governance decisions. Let's complete the first task here, Prom on X. It's almost identical to the previous one. As you can see, some of the tasks are locked and will be unlocked when you do the previous tasks and complete levels. So many tasks to unlock. Prom's testnet activity has been impressive so far. So this is a golden opportunity to be among the early birds before the mainnet launch. By participating in these campaigns, you are not only earning rewards, but also contributing to the growth and success of the Prom ecosystem. Okay, that was a comprehensive look at the proms and their exciting campaigns on Zealy. Prom offers a unique opportunity to participate in groundbreaking blockchain projects without needing to invest money. Just your time and effort. Make sure to check out the links in the description to start participating today. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to CryptoMath channel for more crypto content. Until next time, happy trading!